Okay, so guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Edico Fashion, and today we are looking at changing how to change our oil. Okay, and to change the oil, you need your fresh oil, a bowl or a container where your bad oil or the wasted oil will be poured in, and then a spinner. Okay, a screwdriver, sorry, a screwdriver. So first of all, this is how you move the machine. We'll move it like this for it to rest like this. Then over here, have you seen, you open this place, you open this place, you open up. Okay, there's a screw in there, you just open up, just open the screw, and voila, the oil will just flow out. Okay, so your container should be beneath that hole. Okay, so that the oil will just go out. Okay, and you are supposed to do this every 3 months if you want your machine to function very well. You are supposed to do this every 3 months. Okay, so you are supposed to do this every 3 months. You are supposed to do this every 3 months. You're supposed to do this every 3 months. You're supposed to do. You're supposed to do this every 3 months. So you see, this is how you go about it. Every oil should be out. Okay, this is how I change mine. Okay, so you make sure your machine is off before you do all this. Okay, the machine should be off. 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 Then you get a rag. Okay, get a rag. Make sure you clean all those dirty oil. If there is any dirt anywhere, as for me, I clean this part. Okay, from time to time, so it's already neat. So these are the screws from the hole. These are the screws from the hole. So you get and clean every bad oil out of it, the wasted oil. So you see, it's fresh and clean now. Now what you have to do is to put this screw back. You have to put this screw back. Put this screw back. Make sure it's very tight. Make sure it's very tight. Okay. So this is the dirty oil. Okay, this is the dirty oil. You can see 3 months. Look at the fresh oil and look at how. So if you keep this more than 3 months, know that you are doing big harm to your machine. But if you want your machine to function very well, you change it every 3 months. This is the new and this is the old one. Okay, so we'll put this aside. Now when you are putting your oil, you see low and high. It should be at the highest point. Okay, pour until the level gets to the highest point. Okay, should get to the highest point. That will last for 3 months. That will last for 3 months. So this is my oil. So look at me pouring it gently. See how the fresh oil is. So pour it till it's at the highest level. Okay, so you see the gauge is at where it's labeled high. Okay, so this is how to change your machine oil, your industrial machine oil. Okay, this is how to change your industrial machine oil. That is all. This is how to change your industrial machine oil. So I'll clean my hand.
You shoot the oil. Then you shoot the oil.
So I'll clean it and put it back. So this is basically how we change